Hi guys, and welcome to part 16 of Angular with Firebase application tutorials. On this part we are going to start constructing the home page. We know that in our home page we have two sections. On the first one we are going to show the favorite books, and on the second one we are going to show the unread books. We are going to start with the favorite books, so for that let's go to our service. To hold our favorite books we are going to create a new variable, so for that let us write in here favorite books. And this is going to be an observable of any. Observables help us to manage the asynchronous data, and it belongs to RxJS library. So to use it we need to import that library first. Let us import the library from RxJS, and from this library we are going to get observable. But instead of getting the whole library, we could simplify the import by simply writing in here /observable. Next, let us go and create the function itself. So for that, below the existing function, write get unread books, and this is a function. So let's open the curly brackets in here and write that our favorite books is equal to list.db. So let's get all the books from the database and filter them. The list from the books node .map. We are going to use the map method, which is normally used to create an array from an existing one. So we get all the books from the database and we filter them to a new array, so we have only the favorite ones. But to use the map method we need to import the necessary library. For that, add an additional import. Now go to the map method, and inside here you are going to write books. So we have all the books and we need to filter them. So let us create a new variable to hold the books. For that, const top rated books. So we create a constant variable is equal to books dot filter. So we are going to get only the books which are top rated, so the rating is larger than 4. For that you write the item, the single book in this case, needs to have a rate which is greater than 4. And after you have the top rated books, just return them. So this means now that this.favorite books is going to contain only the top rated ones. At the end of the function, just return the favorite books. So for that, write in here return this.favorite books. So we created our function, but to use this function we need to go to our home component, inject our service and call this function. So let's go to the home component, home.component.ts file. Before you start, just to remove the previous implementations. Now to use our service on this component we need to inject that one first. So for that, in our constructor write private Firebase service, and this is the Firebase service. Just import it. We injected the service, which means that now we can use our method. So we are going to get the favorite books, and in here just write favorite books. It's going to be of type any. We are going to get the favorite books when our component is first initialized. So for that, go to the ng onInit lifecycle hook, and in here write this.firebase service .get unread books. Go to your Firebase service, and since we are going to get the favorite books, let us change this method name to get favorite books. So we write in here get favorite books, and go back to your component. Here now write get favorite books. Since this is an observable, we could subscribe to this one. So let us just write subscribe favbooks and open curly brackets. Inside here write this.favorite books is equal to favbooks. Now to check if we get the data that we need, let us just log the favorite books. Open the console tab in here, and you are going to see that we have logged 2 books. If you expand this array, you are going to see that both books have a rating of larger than 4. So we have the first book with 4.8 and the second one with 4.9. So guys, this is all for this part. On the next part we are going to create an additional function which we are going to use to get the unread books. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next part.